Hey, it's Paul here on the Friendly Viewer. On this channel, we do a ton of tech and gadget reviews, so make sure to hit that subscribe button so you can watch more videos just like this one. In this video, we're going to be checking out this new drone that was sent to us by KIZMO. It's the EON. It's supposed to be the world's thinnest drone. Pretty excited to take a look at that. If you want one for yourself, you can find a link in the description below as well as updates since I post a video. Now let's go check it out. Inside the box, you're going to find the drone, which is super small, a user guide, a charging cable, which is just USB, and 4 propellers, which are spares. First impressions, this thing has a nice fit and finish to it, very smooth, no rough edges, very small. I do like that the blades are completely enclosed. There's a camera on the front. It looks like it's pretty well protected. I'm not sure what this little thing is in the bottom. I think we'll figure that out. The first thing we need to do is take this and charge it up. To charge it, you simply plug the USB cable in and wait for the indicator to turn green, which takes approximately 1 hour. Now to download the app, I do like that they have little QRCs here, so we're going to take a picture of that. It's going to bring up our app store. It's the KIZMO app. Ah, there we go. That's pretty cool. Alright, so I see this KDCD. Pretty sure that's the right one. I have no idea it's going to take off, but it stopped blinking. I think it's talking. So I could either read this or just go for it. I think we should just fly it and hope I don't break it. Let's go. Holy crap. I don't know if you guys saw that, but it went straight to the ceiling and now it's down. Let's try that again. Alright, this time I'm going to read the instructions here. We're going to try this again. Oh, there's the camera. Let's see what this looks like. A little bit of lag, but that is pretty cool. So I could probably just talk at this thing. It needs to be a little bit higher, but I could vlog with this. They're really noisy. You can record video, take a picture. I think I might have an idea of what's going on with this thing. I think it goes about 1 meter up whenever you do the auto launch, which is about where my ceiling is from here. So I'm gonna lower this table down to about 2 feet high. That should launch it to about the right spot. And I'm also going to zoom out. So I'm going to change it to the face tracking mode. If I do this, and start, and now it's looking at me, and it's following me as I move. You can see it's a little choppy, but that's not too bad. I'm not sure the quality of this, if this would be good enough for vlogging or something, but it's kind of cool. And it's tracking me as I go. I bet you I can outrun it, so let's see how fast I can go. That's pretty good. I lost it. There we go. See if it finds me again. I was able to pick up and catch me again. Alright, we're going to try the gyro mode. So I tilt it forward, woo, we gotta get it back down here. So I can tilt it forward, tilt it left, tilt it right. Using the gyroscope in my phone to control it. This isn't too bad. Oh, it's time for the Lunar Eclipse. That blood moon thing's gonna go. Let's go try to take a couple pictures. It was freezing out there. It was about 1 degree. I was able to use my app on my phone to control the Canon 80D, which was really cool. Awesome pics. Now back to this KIZMO thing. Headless mode is that little compass. So you want to calibrate it, and then you hit headless mode, and that's going to keep the orientation straight. So whenever it spins, forward is still forward and back is still back. If I spin it more, forward is still that way and back that way. It doesn't go with the drone itself. There's faster and slower. I landed it on there. So headless mode works pretty good, and you can also hit this eye to make everything go away, or put it in the 3D mode, which I'm not sure I need to do. You can also switch to controls, which I do not want to do either. And hit this little button, home. Just like other drones, when you hit that home button, it just comes flying right back at you. So that's probably better for an outdoor activity. Now this thing's pretty light, so outdoors, it's gonna work really well unless it's windy, and then that's gonna blow this thing around like crazy. Indoors, this isn't too bad, but if you're not good at flying drones, this thing is gonna be pretty rough to deal with. It does have that little sensor on the bottom that helps it stabilize at a certain height. That seems to be working pretty well. This will take some practice to get used to. I prefer, personally, actual controls, not using my phone like this, just because I like to have the feel of the actual buttons. This works though, and you'll always have it with you, so you can put this in your pocket. It's gonna fit in there just fine. The blades are protected. You don't even really see it. It's actually about the same size as my phone, just a little bit different shape. So not bad. It's very light as well. So let's play around a little bit more. A couple more quick notes about this. It gets a little warm, but really not too bad once it uses up the battery. The flying time is around 5 to 6 minutes, and then it takes about an hour to recharge it. The glowing blue actually looks really cool on it. It uses visual odometry to help track and keep it stabilized. It did take me a little bit to figure out how to get it trimmed, but once I figured that out, it is pretty stable. So if you're looking for something that's very thin and you want to just play around with a drone that has a camera, not the best quality, but it does have a camera, this is one option for you. There are a lot of drones out there in the market. If you're looking for a larger one, you might be able to get one for a different price point than this one with similar features on it, but it's not going to be as compact, and you can't just put it in your pocket and take it with you. And the blades are pretty well protected whenever you just put it in your pocket, and I think they'd stay just fine. If you're looking for something for more cinematic photography and such as the DJI ones, that's just a completely different class in this. You can look at the photo quality. I'm going to pop some pictures up. You can see what 720 looks like on this. It looks all right, but not as good as what your cell phone looks like now, because cell phones are pretty amazing of the cameras that are in there. Not too bad of a product. Let me know what you think of it in the description below. This has been Paul with the KIZMO EON. Thank you for watching.